Have you been wondering what's happening in the wild world of real estate, the real estate market here in Albuquerque? You have come to the right place. Hey there, I'm Angela with Coldwell Banker Legacy, and welcome to your Middle Rio Grande Valley real estate market update for October 2025, where I break down what's really going on, what it means for you, and how you can use it to your advantage. Whether you're buying, selling, or just keeping an eye on your home's value, stick around because we've got some interesting numbers for you today. So let's dive in. First up, new listings. That's the good news. So detached homes hitting the market in Albuquerque are up 4.1% compared with this time last year. We've got 973 single family homes on the market. And so what that means is that you've got more choices, more opportunity, especially if you've been sitting on the sidelines waiting for something to pop up. Now, a little context. More listings doesn't always mean chaos. It means more options. For example, I'm seeing more mid-priced homes and homes needing a little TLC come up. For buyers, this means you might have a little bit more room to negotiate. For sellers, it means you got to make sure you stand out. Think excellent photos, strong condition, and a smart price. Really go over that price with your broker, hopefully me, and talk about what's happening in your neighborhood. Pending sales, oh, excuse the cat. Pending sales are down 1.5% year over year at 786 homes under contract right now. And closed sales are down 2.6% at 763. So, yes, homes are listing, but fewer are going under contract and fewer are closing. So, what that's telling us is that buyers are being more deliberate about what they're doing. Maybe they're waiting on rates to change. Maybe they're comparing more homes, shopping around more, or maybe they're just being more cautious. Things are wild out there in the world. If you're a buyer, use this time to your advantage. Be ready. For sellers, it means you might have less competition than you think, but you also need to make your move count. All right, let's talk about prices. The detached family home median sale is 369,000, and that's essentially flat from last year. The average sale price up 3.7% to 433,000. So the median is the midpoint. So there's a $250,000 house and a $1 million house, and the one in the middle is the one we're talking about. So entry-level homes or regular homes are steady. Higher end homes are inching up. So what does that mean for you? If you own just a regular home, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, your value isn't crashing. It's staying nice and stable. If you're moving up into the luxury range, you might be seeing a little bit more movement. Sellers don't assume you can get above list just because prices are up. Make sure you have a strategy. Buyers, this could be the time to lock in before we see bigger shifts. Here's something to pay attention to. People forget this. Average days on market. So that's how long it takes from the minute we have it listed to the minute we have it sold. And that number is up 24% from 39 days to 41 days. That means there's more homes on the market right now. So right now we're seeing a 17.4% income in the month supply. So at 2.7 months. So if no more homes were listed in Albuquerque, it would take nearly 3 months for what we've got on the market to sell out. So that means we're still in a seller's market, but it's tilting a little bit. More homes are sitting, more choices appear for buyers, and the urgency for sellers is creeping in. So if homes are flying off the shelf, a low month supply, sellers have the upper hand. If the shelves are stacked, a high month supply, buyers get more breathing room. So if you're a seller, again, you got to really make your home stand out. If you're a buyer, this could be your moment. And if you're just curious about what your neighborhood's month supply looks like, I can pull that for you. Before you start making decisions, yes, the market sounds like it's cooling a little bit, but there's the nuance. We're not talking crash, we're talking shift. And it's predicted that it's actually going to get hotter in 2026. We'll wait and see for that. For buyers, supply means more leverage, and that's good. For sellers, don't panic, just be smart, price correctly, stage well, fresh paint, and move quickly. If you wait too long thinking about it at the same price, and you think you're just going to breeze through, you might get caught flat-footed. So what's the headline? Albuquerque's real estate market is stable but shifting. Not panic mode, not sell everything now. Just be smart and intentional. If you're buying, you've got choice, you've got time, so use it. If you're selling, polish it up, price right, and make a good plan. And if you're sitting on a home and wondering what it's worth, I'd love to help you figure that out. Thanks for hanging in with me for this market update. If you like this video, check out this one over here. Hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss future updates, and drop a comment below. Let me know what neighborhood you're curious about or what metric surprised you the most. Want a deep dive on your zip code or a custom report? Text or call me at 505-377-2055. Take care.